Geo, right.
Hey, we're drunk, we just crashed, but we're fine. As you can see, we're fine.
So see, we do it again now.
We crashed and burned and someone
we're
just
gonna-
walked past us like we died.
We're in the middle of the road. Come on, we can do it. Like, just do this a little bit here. Okay.
What?
I'll get on the hand. No? Yes. We're gonna.
There's a car coming. Wait.
I think I've bust my ankle. Your mum just rode over my fucking ankle. This fucking woman just walked past as if everything was normal, and me and your mum laying in the middle. The car's gone. Come on then. Right, this is me. Where are you going? You can't go up the pavement.
No.
Right, this is us trying it again. Right. Okay.
Let's go. Don't drop your phone, whatever you do. For fuck's sake.
Well, I can't get on the fucking thing. Right. Well, 1 second. We're still here.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Here we go. Where are we? See?
Hey.
She's. We're gonna die again.
We're trying again. We're going.
We're going. We got it. We got
There's a car
it.
behind us.
There's
There's cars everywhere. Holy fuck.
Keep your eye on the road. Where are you going?
Don't know.
Go that way. I know it's. There's a car! Magic, you need to see. Stop it. Right, here we go. See.
Oh my god, we need to stop now.
Oh shit, there's a car. No.
There we go, safe. We're safe. We're safe.
Mandy. Can you see?
I can see.
Where are we going into the truck? Oh God! I've never, ever.
We're going, we're
Oh
safe.
shit, there's a car. No, where are you? You're not safe. Where are we? Is this here? Huh? What? Mandy?
Yes.
Where is it? You see, this is what happens. Where are you?
We're on the ground. Can't we go?
You see this?
I had no room on the seat to get off.
I'm glad you turned it round to turn the thing round. This is the bike. No. If I do it that way round. There we go, that's the bike. This is your. Well, it's a.
There's no room on the seat. I couldn't stop.
Well, why did you fucking tell me that?
Oh.
Should we sing a song?
Show me the way to go home.
Well,
I'm
you fucking.
drunk and I don't know where.
Happy New. Look, I look like a.
Oh, it's 5. It's quick. Let's go and walk around the corner now.
Well, I would if my fucking ankle wasn't stuck in a bag. Never.
Give me your hand.
I'm fine. I've got enough gravel in my hand. And my knees.
Holy shit.
Right. Are we near?
I'm surprised these fucking bottles have survived.
Hello.
Yes.
We're absolutely fine. So, we do this every year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Do you think I can take this fucking snowman? No, I'm turning it around now. No, I've got to walk. I've got to walk in front of you. Ah, fucking
Yeah,
hell.
turn the thing around.
Well, I can't because he won't.
No, that
Happy
thing
New Year. No, I tried to.
there. Yeah, that thing.
I know, but it didn't do it. See, look. See? He no one to.
Try it again.
Oh. See, not doing it.
We bloody should do it.
No, I'm doing. Well,
We're just coming down the alley now. We're all safe, I think. The bottles have survived.
this is your mother. Oh fuck, what's that? I can't see anything now. Where are you? Why is it not?
There we go.
Oh, there we go. She's there, some. No, you're not. Where are you? I can't see. This
I'm
is.
alive.
Yeah? I'm just about fucking alive. Right, so sing a song for our children. Right, Happy
New Year!
Happy New Year. I don't know
the rest of the song, but Happy New Year.
We're still lucky to be alive.
Twice over.
Yes. There's still people. Even the fucking that neighbour, he just stared.
He just stared and
I
looked.
said I said it was just like a reunion, and we do it every year. And I think your mother has busted my ankle. Maybe your mother's. Where has she gone now? I can see the fucking bike going round. I can't.
So dark around here.
Yeah. What's that in it? It's just me, video me. I am not saying a word. See, if I walk backwards, this is your mother. I know I'm going to fall over something in a minute. And if I go like that, run. We fucking ain't. You might have just died. Now I've reached. Don't go and blame me.
We crashed twice. We crashed twice.
Absolutely absurd.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Hello.
We videoed it all.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Fucking year. I fucking bust. She ran over my ankle.
You look so pretty.
Oh, really? Yeah? I've just been laying in the fucking road.
Crashed and
Twice. You've got to see this video. It's a story. Bear videoed it.